Welcome to Webstar Press. In this video, I will show you how to delete fake Instagram account or any Instagram account that you want to delete. Of course, account should be your own and in your Instagram accounts in order for you to delete it. To do that, open Instagram, tap your profile icon from bottom right. It will open your current Instagram account's profile page. Press account name at the top, and here are all the Instagram accounts listed. Select the fake account or the account that you don't want. It will switch to that account. From here, press three lines at the top right. Press Accounts Center. Then press Manage Accounts. Select the account you want to delete by pressing Manage button in front of it. So you can see the Instagram account name at the top. So make sure it is correct. Then press Deactivation or Deletion. Select Delete Account option. So deleting your account is permanent. Press Continue. Give them a reason by selecting any option from these. Press Continue. Press No, continue with deletion. And here you can do things before you delete your account. You can export your information. You can keep your Instagram account by deactivating it instead of deleting it. But we want to delete it, so press Continue. And from here, confirm permanent account deletion. Press Delete Account button. Provide the password and press Continue. So the account is now scheduled for deletion. And it is also gone from this menu, from the list of our available Instagram accounts. If you change your mind, you can still go to Account Center and save that account from deletion. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.